A very good morning to the teacher and friends. My name is Azlina Putri Ayuning Tias, and I'm going to tell you a story titled of The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once there was a shepherd boy who had to look after a flock of sheep. One day he felt bored and he decided to play a trick on the villagers. He shouted, "Help! Whoa! Whoa!" The villagers heard his cries and rushed out of the village to help Shepherd Boy. When they reached him, they asked, "Where is the wolf?" The Shepherd Boy laughed loudly. "Ha ha ha! I'm full of you. I was only playing trick on you." A few days later, the Shepherd Boy played this trick again. Again he cried, "Help! Help! Whoa! Whoa!" Again, the villager rushed up the hill to help him, and again they found that boy had tricked them. They were very angry with him for being so naughty. The villagers then returned to their home. Then, sometime later, a wolf went into a field. The wolf attacked one sheep, another sheep, and another sheep. The shepherd boy ran towards the village and shouted, "Help! Help! Whoa! Help! Somebody!" The villagers heard his cries, but they laughed, ha ha ha, because they thought it was another trick. The boy ran to the nearest villager and said, "A wolf is attacking the sheep. I lied before, but this time it is true." Finally, the villagers want to look. It was true. They could see wolf running and so many dead sheep lying on the grass.